In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a model in Perplexity AI. If you want more control over how Perplexity responds, choosing the right model is an important step. Different models can affect the style, quality, and behavior of the answers you get, so it's useful to know where this setting is and how to use it properly. To get started, go to the Perplexity AI website. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main interface where you can begin a search or enter a prompt. If this is your first time using the platform, take a quick moment to look around so you can recognize the main input area and the tools available near it. Next, look for the model selector and click on it. This is the option that lets you choose which AI model you want Perplexity to use for your request. Depending on the version of the interface you are seeing, this may appear near the prompt box or in a nearby toolbar. When you click it, you should see the available model options. Before you go further, keep in mind that using these model choices requires a pro account, so if you don't currently have access to the selectable models, that's likely the reason. In that case, you would need to upgrade your account before those options become available. This is helpful to know in advance, so you don't waste time trying to find a setting that isn't enabled on your current plan. Once you have access, select the model you want to use. After that, create your prompt in the input box. Be as clear as possible about what you want, since the quality of your result depends not only on the model you choose, but also on how you phrase your request. A specific prompt usually gives you a more useful answer than a vague one. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. Perplexity will then process your request using the model you selected. If you're comparing results, it can be helpful to try the same prompt with different models to see how the responses change. That gives you a better feel for which model works best for your needs. And that's it. That's how to choose a model in Perplexity AI. Once you know where the model selector is and understand that a pro account is required, the process is quick and easy.